Greetings everyone. In this video I will teach you about a handy tool called a URL shortener. Have you ever worked with long links and wished you had a way to use something shorter or something easier for people to see? If you have, then the three tools I'll share with you could come in handy. First is the Google URL shortener. You get to this site by going to goo.gl. Once you're here, you have your long link and you click inside this dialog box and paste, and once you paste it you have to tell Google that you're not a robot, and then you choose shorten, and once you shorten it you'll notice that you have your short URL over here, and that's all you need to do. And from here you can share it, you can use it in front of people. It's easy to give someone this address, they'd be able to type it pretty easy, as opposed to something like this. This would take forever for me to say out loud and ask somebody to copy. It also wouldn't look good in a document like a PowerPoint or Word document. And if you wanted to do more, you could go and create an account and use it and do some tracking and things like that. But if you just want a quick make a short URL, all you have to do is go to the site, paste, robot, and then shorten URL. The next one that I'll show you is called tiny URL. And all of the URLs from here will have tinyurl.com as part of the name. And all you'll need to do is go where it says enter a long URL to make tiny, and you click inside the box, choose paste, and then make tiny URL. Now you do have the option here to make this unique, so if you wanted to customize it to something like my class 2016, if you wanted something like that, you could do that and choose make tiny URL. And that time it didn't work, so let's try it again. There we go. Now sometimes you may run into the problem that what you chose to use to customize has been used before, and in that case you just keep trying. But here's your link right here, and then you'll be able to share that. The last tool I'll show you is Bitly, and you may have seen this if you've been in any meetings or any conferences. You may have seen something like this, but you do the same concept here. Now I'm actually logged into an account on this one. And notice, I just wanted to show you that in your account you'll be able to see any links that you made. You'll get to see a little bit of data about how many times it's been clicked on, and that may be useful to you, it may not. If it is, you can use it. If not, you can just use this like a regular URL shortener. You click paste, and then it automatically makes your URL over here. And then if you wanted to customize it again, let's see if the same customization will work in a different tool. And now I have that one's already taken, so it did recognize that I had done it before, so I would need to try that again. Let's try 2019, and that one worked. So again, sometimes you have to play around with it, but those are three tools that you could use to shorten a URL.